So over here, you can see that I'm into the animation mode. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to draw around a shape right here, just like this. And then I'm going to go around into another frame right here, and then simply draw a similar shape around just like this. So this is what I have. So this is what I have right here, and this is what I have as well. So let's say I want to work around with the in-between frame, and to do that, I'm going to go around into draw. And then if I were to go around into interpolate, then I can use the interpolate option, as you can see right here. So I can just use this out, and you can see that the interpolation gives me this option to actually drag around and then generate out the shape right here. So I can just generate out the in-between frames instead of just drawing it out manually. So I can go around, click here, and if I want to do another interpolation right here, I can go around. And then if I were to go around and then go to let's say, for example, onto draw, interpolate right here. And then if I were to go to interpolate, then this is what I have over here as well. I can similarly go out over here and then go to draw. I can go to interpolate, and there you go. This is what I have again. So if I were to go around over here onto draw, interpolate, and interpolate, then this is what I have. So I can go around and simply draw in the interpolate option just like this, as you can see. And this is what you have. You can go around over here, go into interpolate right here, and interpolate this out as well, just like this, and place it wherever you want. And you can see that now this is the animation you have. Interpolation is not perfect. So now if I were to go around over here onto new right here, for instance, go to 2D animation. And then if I were to go around and then draw out some shape just like this, and then draw out another shape over here, the interpolation might not be perfect. So it's not a perfect solution. As you can see, it twists and turns right here to match out how it actually looks right here. So it is not perfect. But anyways, that really saves out time in a lot of factors right here, and especially when you're drawing rough drawings as well. And that is how you can use the interpolate option inside of Blender. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.